Hello everybody and welcome back to our exercise. We are working on figure 4, page 15 on the exercise book, or 22 on the new one. And we finished our arc and intersection of cylinders here, and we start drawing our web. This is my web. So we'll continue F5 now and take the line from the beginning of the web to the end of the web. This is the part that we'll see here. What about there? Just trim first. Trim between these 1 and 2. Enter and get rid of this part of the arc, the intersection of the cylinder and the air web. What do we have? Let us get rid of this first and draw a construction line from the center of this one. There, F5, and I need this one here. Why? To have the center. I have my cut from the up by 40 and goes down by 14. We have our 14 already. Let us draw our 40 cut. Okay. To create a 40, we have to copy this one to this side. 20 and there 20. Okay. This is my lines will be from here, there, F5, let us be in the top. Okay, again, line from here. Let us zoom to see the intersection, to the intersection of my cylinder. Okay, and copy this line, enter F5 and enter from here down 14. Okay, what we will see, we have a line here from this end down, again line from here down. Good. Just trim by these two, 40. Enter. I'll take this out and take this out. Good. Okay, so what do you have? Trim again by this one, and this comes in the back. What about here? We can't tell. So here we have to take a line from a quadrant. This is the quadrant to the quadrant. What is the quadrant? Yes. This is the part of the circle that I'll see, the cylinder, sorry. Just trim on this one. Okay. I'll take this arc out. What do we have? This is the part of my web. So I'll trim it by the cylinder. Enter, I'll take this out and this out. Oh, Ctrl Z. Okay, trim again by here and here in order to take this out. So this is this, and here we can see our cylinder. Again, we need a line, or we can take a copy. The same distance, from this line, from this end to this end. Okay, so trim between these 1 and 2 and take this out. So this is my upper part. This is my upper part. Where it ends from the other side, I don't know. I'll take a line again from the quadrant to the quadrant of this one, and I'll see only this part. So I'll trim, enter, here, enter, I'll take this out. Now it's obvious what we have. Let us continue our web from here there and trim again by this one, enter, I'll take this out. Now it's clear. Let us stop and continue after.